Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Mailchimp with contact form in WordPress. This is the WordPress website I will use for this video. Let's log into my WordPress dashboard, just like that. To integrate this Mailchimp account with my contact form in this WordPress website, I will use a plugin called MC for WP, which stands for Mailchimp for WordPress. This is the WordPress plugin we will use. Make sure that it's provided by Ivory Code. Click on this Install Now button, then hit Activate. Now go to MC for WP and hit Mailchimp. As you can see, my WordPress is not yet connected with this Mailchimp account. To connect both of these tools, you need to insert your API key. This is a quick link to arrive directly to the API key page on Mailchimp. If for whatever reason you didn't land on this API keys page, just log into your Mailchimp account, click on your profile icon from this corner, go to Account and Billing, click on Extras and hit API keys. You will arrive on the same API keys page. Scroll down a little bit, click on this Create a Key button. Give your API key a name. I recommend you to name it after your website, just like that. Click on this Generate Key button. Copy your key like that and hit Done. Now go back to your WordPress website, insert your API key here and hit Save Changes. And now your WordPress website is connected to your Mailchimp account. As you can see, my Mailchimp list name started showing here. Same thing with the list ID and the subscribers. Now go to integrations. As you can see, contact form is not installed on my WordPress, so I will install it first. Click Activate, and now return to Mailchimp, to MC for WP, and click on Integrations. As you can see, the status is now active next to contact form. Click on contact form 7. And to integrate Mailchimp with contact form, configure the settings below and then add this code to your contact form markup. Select the list that you want your contact form to send subscribers into. In my Mailchimp account, I only have this single list. I will select it. Then you can edit the checkbox label text, sign up me for the newsletter. You can write something, for example, get my free guide, or also get my free guide. You can use between enabling the pre-check the checkbox. It is recommended to go with no. For the double opt-in, I recommend you to go with yes. Double opt-in means that your subscribers are required to confirm their email addresses in order to join your list. This way you make sure that your audience on Mailchimp is of a higher quality. Now click on Save Changes, and after that copy this code. And let's go to the contact form. Click on Add New Form. Give your form a name, for example, Contact Me. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Mailchimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your Mailchimp account, how to manage your audience inside Mailchimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Give your form a name, for example, contact me. Add your code here before the submit button. Click on save. Now copy this contact form code and let's create a new page. Give it a name, for example, contact me, and hit publish. Let's view this page live, and this is now your contact form and also the subscribe to Mailchimp. As you can see, this is my text. Also get my free guide. And now when someone fill in this form, if he selects also get my subscribe form, he will be subscribed to your Mailchimp list. And this is how to integrate Mailchimp with contact form in WordPress. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.